It is the election season after all. Asaduddin Owaisi, all guns blazing against Prime Minister Modi. Owaisi has said, and I quote him here first, Modi's guarantee is to abuse the Muslims. Owaisi's wealthy friends jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Owaisi has said, Modi today called Muslims infiltrators, people with many children. Prime Minister Narendra Modi claimed if the Congress came to power, it will give people's hard-earned money and valuable to infiltrators and those who have children. So that's Asaduddin Owaisi, one of the big Muslim leaders of the community and represents the AIMIM that he leads. He's the Hyderabad Member of Parliament. So he's charging specifically at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying the reference that is being made is deliberately to target and abuse Muslims. The wealthy friends jibe at Prime Minister Modi and saying that Modi called Muslims as infiltrators and people with many children. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi's yet another no-holds-barred attack. It is the election season, and addressing a rally, Prime Minister Narendra Modi rained fire specifically at Congress Party's manifesto. Prime Minister Modi said Congress's 2024 election manifesto reflects urban Naxal mindset. Modi is claiming if Congress comes to power, it will redistribute wealth of all people and specifically redistribute it to Muslims and infiltrators. Prime Minister further cited a speech by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, a remark that he had made that the minority community had the first claim on country's resources. The Grand Old Party quickly now coming out in defense mode and taking to social media. Rahul Gandhi said BJP is disappointed after the first phase of elections and now trying to divert the public. The Grand Old Party challenged Prime Minister to show if Hindu-Muslim is written anywhere in the Congress manifesto. They're calling the Congress manifesto as revolutionary, saying the manifesto is trending among the public. So listen in to what Prime Minister Modi said, how the Congress reacted, and then also to former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's remark that has led to this huge furor.
कांग्रेस ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में जो कहा है वो चिंताजनक है, गंभीर है और ये माओवाद की सोच को धरती पर उतारने की उनकी कोशिश है। पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे। क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा? भाइयों बहनों, ये अर्बन नक्सल की सोच, मेरी माताओं बहनों, ये आपका मंगलसूत्र भी बचने नहीं देंगे, यहां तक जाएंगे। मैं कहने आया,
आपने मर्यादा की वो सीमा लांघी है जो पाप है। मंगलसूत्र पे आपने बोला है, आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मंगलसूत्र पर बोलने की? आपने कहा कि कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो में लिखा है कि आपका मंगलसूत्र भी वो लोगों में बांट देंगे। कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो में मैं चुनौती से आपसे कहती हूं, ऐसी कहां पर कौन सा मैनिफेस्टो आप पढ़ रहे हैं जिसमें ऐसी बात लिखी है? कहां लिखा है कि हम लोगों की संपत्ति लेकर बांट देंगे? किस तरह की बौखलाहट है ये कि आप निरंतर झूठ बोल रहे हैं? एक संप्रदाय को लेकर झूठ बोलते हैं, हमारे मैनिफेस्टो को लेकर झूठ बोलते हैं।
We need to be revitalized. We will have to devise innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, are empowered to share equitably in the fruits of development. They must have the first claim on our resources.